All right, y'all, what's good? About to step inside the New Balance factory outlet here in Kissimmee off of 192. It was in the area. This outlet is actually about 15 minutes away from the Violin Premium outlet. So if you're here visiting, it's about 15 minutes away. All right, remember last time we was here, they had a little hiccup, the snatch and grab. So we're gonna see if the setup got changed back and we can find what we need to look for. Step in the apparel section. Everything looks about the same. I don't see too much new apparel. Now we grabbed this. Last time we was here, it was actually 50% off, not 40. So it went down 10%. Grabbed this crew neck. This was actually, how much did I get it for? What price tag at, man? Okay, so this was $64.99 and I got it for 50% off. Yeah, all the apparel is 40% off. Oh, they got my green shorts back in. I had grabbed these shorts for 50% off a couple months back also too. Probably like a month back, not a couple months back. Yeah, it's $29.99 and then it was 50% off. So I got these for $15 when I picked these up. Some more colors over here. All right, we got it in black now. They ain't have a black when I picked mine up. I'm gonna wait till I get. They're probably gonna switch it back the week after though. Same thing. Oh, these are $49.99. These are $49.99, and you take 40% off. So, and we got it in maroon, but the maroon doesn't have the embroidered logo. The black one has the embroidered logo. I'd rather the embroidered logo than the printed logo, the screen print logo, because that'll wash off. We got some t-shirts over here for additional 40% off. It's a nice thick high collar. Got the embroidered New Balance logo. That's what I like. I like the embroidered logos. It's a nice solid everyday tee. Wow, taking me so long. $14.99 and then 40% off of $14.99. Shoot. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get one of these. Come on, man. It's gonna be like what? It's probably like $8 after tax. Yeah, $8, $9, like $10 for that. Yeah, that's not bad. Come on, man. What else is on here on this rack? Nah, that's a no. Got a Royal Brew print. That's $14.99. Got a soccer jersey. FCP. I'm not familiar with the club. Okay. Super Buck. This is $29.99. And then you take off 40% off of the $29.99. For a soccer jersey, shoot. $19.99. This is new in the apparel section. I never seen this blue section, these blue sweats. These are $49.99 and then you take 40% off of that. And they have the blue, the brown and the green t-shirt to match. $24.99. You should have had the embroidered logo, man, on the sweats. I like that blue though. Then we have the pullover to match, which is $59.99. And this is a clearance outlet, because if you go to the regular outlet, it's not gonna be the same promo. So right now, if this is 40, the regular outlet percentage off is probably like 30 or something like that. Okay, $29.99. It's a nice pullover. Got the maroon logo, $29.99, and then you take 40% off of that. It's like a nice little pink, purple kind of color, lavenderish. It's a nice zip down. Track jacket. This is $39.99. Okay, and we got some basketball shorts. I never seen the basketball shorts. New Balance basketball. Got the Screen printed on MB. This is pretty. This is a thick print on here too. These are pretty heavy. Some nice shorts. This one has a price tag on it. This is $29.99, and then take an additional 40% off of that. This is a nice pair of shorts though. See how long? Yep, and it's down to the knee. It's knee length shorts. Came in the back to the discount wall. Come around my size. See what they have in my size. If anything stands out. Right, what we got here? It's a nice pair of 515s. These are $59.99, and you take 40% off. $59.99. I haven't seen that before. Then we got the other color. Yeah, for YouTube. Yeah. And this is $59.99. Nah, no problem. Yeah, it's the associate. She always look out. Have I been on the website? No. The YouTube. What is your name there? I'm gonna tell you real quick. It's the Brick Collect, the store employee. She always looks out, and she was curious about. She seen me here a few times and was curious about the channel and stuff. So I had to let her know the channel, and she went ahead and subscribed, which is real dope. They let me roam around in here with no problem. This is $79.99 for this RC42. And you know, it's funny. There's a I forgot what the model name is, but Nike has a model similar to this. Like, these are pretty much like some flat, like, I don't know, soccer type shoes. I never seen these in here though. Oh, and these are them in a different, see, they look totally different in this texture though, with this green and kind of sail color. Got a little suede on the back. These are $99 and take an additional 40% off. The RC42. Yeah, these are dope. Actually, I think, what's that guy named? Jack Harlow. You're supposed to have a collab with New Balance with this same model, as a matter of fact. Because you know the soccer shoes are pretty popular right now. Outside of just the Adidas, everybody's doing a flat shoe model. I mean, going with that style. What's this? Got these right here, orange and blue. These are 471s. These are $99 also. And then you take an additional 40% off of that. So remember, everything you see at the sticker price is not marked down. When you ring up, then it's going to take off the additional 40% off. All right, we're going to take a look down the lifestyle section. All right. What are these? 480Ls. These are nice. This is a slick shoe. It's a unisex lifestyle. Okay. $49, and then you take an additional 40% off. Right, this shoe is like almost like $25 after tax, like almost $30. Dang, these are nice. That ain't bad. And right here, these also, the ALD and New Balance collabs. These are sweet. Come on, $49.99. And then you get 40% off. There's colorway too. It's a nice like yellow, and they got the one look at the bottom with the blue. And these are sweet. $49.99. Come down here, we got some 515s. Saw these on a couple of these on the hash wall, but you could get it in a box for $59.99 and take off your 40. Same thing again. Pair of 574s, classic. These are dope. I like the color on these ones, like the brown and the yellow, the gray, kind of that old worn look. Give it a vintage style look too. These are all buy one get one 50% off, $84.99, $84.99. Buy one, get one, 50% off again. We've been in here and these have been 50% off. 997s, these have been 50% off by themselves and marked down a lot cheaper than the $89.99. Or they've been at $89.99 with the take additional 50% off. So these have been priced a lot lower. So you got to come pretty up, not often, but every couple of weeks you double back and check, and the promo changes up. All right, come over here to the rest of the lifestyle shoes. We got some 1000s over here for $99, and you take an additional 40% off. So yeah, so you can't go wrong. This is a good deal right here because they usually don't mark down as low, but depending on the colorway. But I haven't seen these before. They didn't have these out last time I was here. And they had the absorb. I never tried on a pair of these. I have to try on a pair of these and check them out and see how they fit and how they look. Today might be the day though. I might have to check out a pair of these today. So you get $99 and an additional 40% off. Another colorway here. This color is nice. Got the little sail, like deep sail on the sole, almost yellow, with a little kind of burnt orangey maroon kind of color. Brown and gray, same thing. And then we have a blue. And then that sail is a little darker than this one, with a little light kind of neon green. Same thing, 99, and you take an additional 40% off. So I was looking to try on a pair of the 1000s in this green and silver colorway, but they don't have my size right here, so not today. I'm gonna look and see if another pair though. Any of the other pairs have a size 9. Okay, this one has a size 9. We're gonna go ahead and try this one on. About to try on these pair of 1000s. Let's get this other pair on. Alright, dang, these are pretty comfy. Not bad. A little narrow in the front, a little narrow, but they're not bad. They feel pretty comfy. I'm sure like once you break them in, you get a couple wears out of them, they'll be good. They match perfect with the pants I'm wearing right now too. This particular color, yeah, not bad. I don't know. I think about it. Once I come across a pair that I really like, I might go ahead and pick up a pair. But this is it. Try on for the, and they don't look as chunky from holding them than when I actually put them on. They almost looking down. They remind me of a Air Max, a 97s. That's what they kind of look like when I look down at them. And the shape of it, yeah, it's kind of real reminiscent to that shoe. All right, got a pair of 202Rs for $99. You take an additional 40% off. And we got this one. It's unisex. It's a nice light blue on blue. Same thing. It's a 740. I actually have a pair of these. These are super comfortable. I had got the Whitaker collab. Yeah, the I'm on my year, if you don't know, collab with these. These are super light. These are crazy light. These are so comfortable for $89.99, and you take an additional 40% off. And we got a couple more colors here. These are $79.99, and we got these are also $79.99. It's a wild colorway right here, and like I said, same thing, 40% off. A couple more, some 408s. 515s, and that's it for the lifestyles. Take a trip over by the kids section and see what's over there real quick though. I have some kids 515s. These are all buy one get one 50% off. few different colors. Some kids slip-ins, some preschools. Yeah. But in the kids section, these are all buy one, get one 50% off. I'm about to grab this t-shirt real quick and get up out of here. I'm gonna take this black tee. Once again, this is, what's the price on this? Was, yeah, $14.99, and take an additional 40% off. And see, my total is $966 after 40% off. All right, y'all, that's it for the New Balance outlet here on Vineland off of 192. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And when you hit that like button, don't forget to hit the hype button also.